This is the weather forecast video for Sunday, September the 25th, 2011. Let's take a look at the satellite image from last evening. You can see the upper level low still in the vicinity over west central Illinois. Cloudiness extending through the southern plains into the mid-south, a frontal system to our east affecting that area, and a storm system moving into the Pacific Northwest. Watch morning map from just before midnight shows little, if anything, going on. A wind advisory over Texas into Louisiana. Some red flag warnings in Texas and over the Pacific Northwest. Otherwise, the rest of the nation is fairly quiet. QPF chart. Precipitation over the next 5 days through Thursday evening at 7 o'clock shows rainfall amounts from nothing over western Iowa to upwards of maybe an inch over the eastern counties. We're likely thinking it'll be about a quarter to a half an inch, mainly east of Interstate 35. Here's the 0Z GFS Model Run at 1 p.m. today. You can see the upper level low a little further west than the last few runs. It's going to be around the Quad Cities with disturbances swinging around it. There will be chances of showers, especially east of Interstate 35 today and into tonight and into Monday. Temperatures will be held back in the lower 60s in that area. Same goes for Monday. Temperatures east of Interstate 65 will be held down in the lower to middle 60s, while low 70s are possible in far western Iowa, especially in the Siouxland and in the Les Hills. Tuesday, the low finally begins to move to the east, but it seems like we've been saying that for days. Well, we think it's going to be moving to the east on Tuesday, and temperatures will begin to rise as the skies begin to clear. And Wednesday, we know for sure it's not going to be around. Sunshine, seasonal temperatures in the lower to middle 70s. We're hoping that this is true. Thursday, same story. Seasonal temperatures. Low to middle 70s under sunshine with a few afternoon clouds possible. We head off into Friday. High pressure just to our north in the north woods of Wisconsin. We'll be on the south side, so we'll get a light easterly wind. Temperatures upper 60s to lower to mid 70s. Saturday, starting off next weekend, a high pressure moves off. Winds turn southerly. We should see warmer temperatures, maybe mid 70s, maybe a few upper 70s possible. A week from today, October the 2nd, ridge is still over us. Main storm track in the Pacific Northwest and into Canada and through the New England states. What does that mean for us? That means we will be in the dry air. No rain, southerly winds, and temperatures in the mid 70s possible, maybe higher, maybe upper 70s, maybe even touching 80. We head further into Voodoo, October the 6th. Big vortex over New England, and another feature over the desert southwest as the main storm track as well to our north. With that, we're in between large systems, one over the southwest and one over the Pacific Northwest and one over New England. So we're in the dry air with southerly winds and warmer than normal temperatures. And at the end of the forecast, October the 10th, which I believe is Columbus Day, vortex over New England, another disturbance near us, and another one over the Intermountain West. And what does that mean? That could mean rain. Won't that be interesting? Although we're seeing some of that now. We'll see some more of that toward the Columbus Day weekend. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one tomorrow.